In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram story upload black screen problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search for Instagram. Now up to date your Instagram app. If your Instagram is up to date, then skip this method. Then go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for Instagram. Click on Instagram. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now open Instagram app. Now log into your account. Now click on create icon. Now allow permission. Click on story. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram story upload black screen problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.